Is this the dirtiest kitchen in the world? Has yours ever been this dirty? Comment down below, guys. Because I think I left my kitchen to be the dirtiest ever. Look at this place. It's so messy. So let's start with washing utensils. Look at the floor. Can't believe this is my kitchen. So let's start with cleaning utensils. I love washing soaking my sufurias first with water, so that in the meantime, as I wash the other utensils, the sufurias will at least have soaked enough, so it will be easy to clean them. So this is my first step to my disaster cleaning. Yes. And then this is my pressure cooker. I know most people don't love using them. This is the Prestige. And people call it the killer cooker, I know. But I use it. Although you shouldn't use it if you don't know. If you're not an expert, please never leave it with someone who doesn't know how to use it. But it's so effective. Like now, I cooked my beans with it. Yeah, so if you guys need a video on how to use a pressure cooker, comment down below. I can do that video.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
So guys, that's it for the utensils. Now I'm heading over to wash the platform and the tiles. By the way, you guys, tell me in the comment section, how often do you wash your kitchen tiles? For me, I prefer washing them on a daily, by the way. This is my daily cleaning. I forgot to say this at the beginning. It's my daily cleaning of the kitchen. This is what I must do each and every day. So I love wiping my tiles every time, so that during the weekends I don't have a lot of time, and because the kitchen has so much dirt, you know, spills, food spills and everything.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow